How to block a YouTube channel. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to block or hide a specific YouTube channel, it is quite simple. First of all, open any of your channels and then log in into the YouTube. After that, go to the user that you want to block or hide from your YouTube channel. For that, you just have to tap open it and go to its profile. Once you have gone to the home page, you will see three dots which is on the top right corner. Tap on it and you will see different options. From there, you can either hide user from your channel or report the user. Unfortunately, there is no such option such as blocking the YouTube channel for now. So instead, you can hide the user from the channel. Additionally, if you do not want the user to make any comments on your YouTube channel, you can visit and disable its comment as well. But the best way would be hiding it from your YouTube channel. This way, if you refresh the page, the user has been hidden and the comments of his has been removed from your YouTube channel. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.